so beautiful at night. I prefer to walk at night in the dark, but I understand some of you would like to see, so. See if we can find anything interesting, like tracks. I've seen deer tracks so far. Testing out this new light. Have to plug it in. The water used to come up much higher. This was all water here. Our little symphony of little tiny friends. Look at the frogs! Look at the frogs and the toads. Can you see them? Hi guys! Hi! Can you see them all out there? Those are all Yeah, hi, come on over. Come on over and say hi, fella. Look at those little legs go. Another little swimmer. Come on. Hi. Let me see if I can zoom in without dropping this flashlight. Hang on. I don't know what that did, but it's probably too big now. There's one. There's one gliding. Look at you. Yeah, I like to swim at night too, fellas. They're all over out there. I think I zoomed a little too far out. Let me adjust it again. Just a little bit. I don't know. That still might be too much. No, I did it too far. Hi, froggies and toads and whoever else is all in here. Oh, I'm so sorry you want to be on film. Okay. I think I just got bawled out by a little swimmer. Hi! Come on, everybody, catch up. Come on over. Let's have a party. It's a warm night. Oh, that's you. You have a lovely voice. One way out there swimming. It's actually full of frogs in here. Hello, fella. Hi. Hey, you little gliders. Come on over here. Somebody's coming closer. Are you getting brave? Are you getting brave? I'm gonna have to try and zoom again. This mess. I have to set the light down or I'm gonna fall in the drink. Let me see. I hope that's not too big again. Where'd you go? There you are. Hi. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Another one. You're just kind of floating. Nice and leisure-like, huh? We have somebody over here getting closer and closer. Ah, I cannot get the adjustment right. I'm sorry. Let me try again. Come here. Everybody's just a swimming like crazy. Another one. Oh, I see. The main theater is back over here. Look, guys. Hi. How you doing? Oh, what are you two doing? You doing the naughty thing, huh? Ooh, they're getting it on. Look at all those little dots. Those are all the little swimmers and singers. Yeah, I see you looking at me. If I try and zoom in, I'm gonna ruin the shot. You got someone creeping up on you. Ooh, is that your boyfriend? Are you playing hard to get? That's what you're doing. You gonna chase the light? Hi, you gonna chase the light? Hi, come on over. Oh, look at these guys. You're getting brave. Hi. Hi there. How you doing? There's a piggyback going on right there. Right there. Sounds like some issues are starting up again a little bit. Not far from here, which is kind of sad, but because there's a lot of people trying to sleep. Hi. Well, this is a very active pond tonight. Oh, I've got friends getting really, really brave. Hi. Hello there. Now, those two are busy. Leave those two alone. They're lovebirds. It's like, get away from my woman. There we go. Nope. I'm still getting a piggyback ride here. That's what we're going to call it anyway. In the summertime, you got women on the mind. That's what's going on out here, folks. Okay. They are everywhere out here. Y'all have a great time now. This is like Woodstock out here. Okay, lots of music and everybody kind of getting it on a little bit there. Have fun, babies. All right. Back to the woods I go. Wood ticks is something I need to worry about. I already have Lyme disease. A lot of people do. Oh well. It is what it is. Have a peaceful night, everybody. There's a party going on down there. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. New beginnings.